Hey, what's up everybody? I got a 2021 Toyota RAV4. This is a hybrid. I'm going to show you how to do the maintenance reset. I believe it's the same for the non-hybrids. We're going to be using these arrow buttons right here, the center OK button, and maybe this return button. So go ahead and get your finger right here ready to go. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on the dash here. Okay, so let's see. Push the right arrow button and we're going to go to the gear. So you see this gear on the end, go to that and then push down. We're going to go down to just right here where it says vehicle settings. We're going to go to vehicle settings, not settings right here, but the one that says vehicle settings. Push and hold OK. And then this will pop up. Go down to scheduled maintenance. Push and hold OK. And then you'll go up to reset data. Push up and then OK for yes. And that's it. Reset complete. And then you can push that back button to go back to the all the way back to the main menu. And then there you go. You're good. That's how you do it. 2021 Toyota RAV4.